Good morning everyone. This is Kamikawa Kalen. This time, I would like to introduce how to make the background of the video transparent. Until now, when we talked about making the background transparent, we made the background green or one color. It is common to use chroma key technology to remove the color. But even if you don't use chroma key, there are various apps now. Even if the background is not a single color image, you all know that it's relatively easy to make it transparent. However, for videos, making the background transparent means unless you use chroma key, I think it was quite difficult. However, if it is a PC, if you devise it with some software, it was introduced on YouTube etc. that there is a possible method. However, with a smartphone app such as the iPhone, removing the background without using chroma key means, I was able to make it transparent for about 15 seconds with an app called Macaron, but I can pull it out perfectly, I could not do it. However, the app introduced this time as a smartphone, free, easy, and perfect. You can remove the background. If you use this, you don't have to bother to make the background green and shoot. It is also possible to make the video that you want to make the background transparent later. It's a milestone. I wonder why I don't promote this more. Then, I will introduce it immediately. I found how easy it is to do with a free app called CapCut. However, I don't remember when CapCut had this feature. I think it's very recent. I didn't notice it because there was no appeal at the time of version upgrade. I would like you to make more appeal. Let's see the actual operation method.
Minasanごきげんよう、上川薫です。今回取り上げる話題は、韓国の民主主義体制への評価というものが
What do you think? It will take some time. It's very easy, and quite perfectly, it's possible to get rid of the background of a video. It's not like this feature is released for free. What a wonderful app called CapCut. I would love to give you some kind of prize. After making it transparent, use the canvas. It's easy to make a chroma key movie with a green background. It's very easy to change to another image. CapCut is free, but it has a lot of really playful features. You can easily correct the beauty of the video. There are many apps for facial correction of still images. The facial correction of the video is there are only limited items such as MEITU, Snow, and FaceApp. CapCut is really grateful for this point as well. Also, use voice effect to make your voice, high-pitched voice, heavy voice, high voice, low voice, distorted voice. It is also possible to change to.
皆さんごきげんよう、上川薫です。
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 皆さんごきげんよう、上川薫です。皆さんごきげんよう、上川薫です。
It would be better if there was a beautiful female voice. Well, it's impossible. There are many interesting fonts for text, and there is also a wide variety of colors that can be changed with text effects. There are many other effects as well. Currently, only English is available, but the automatic transcription function from voice is also epic making. Previously it was tied up to 15 minutes. Currently, it seems that if you reduce the resolution from 1080p to 720p, you can save for more than 15 minutes. But even with CapCut, there are some things you can't do. For example, when an image and text are overlaid, text cannot be placed after the image. VLLO has a function called Move. You can specify which is up or down. It's a shame that CapCut doesn't have that feature. I also hear that sound shifts occur, but I have no experience. It seems that this can also be fixed in iMovie. However, even after deducting these defects, I think CapCut is a great app. We look forward to your continued success in the future. That's all.